Cal Poly Human Space Technology and Research presents AURORA, the Advanced Unmanned Robotic Orbital Refueling and Analysis Platform.
AURORA will be located at the first Earth-Moon Lagrange point, acting as a waypoint for cislunar and deep space missions.
AURORA is comprised of a subsystem housing segment and two service module segments. The service modules are the Orbital Sample Acquisition and Curation Module, OSAC for short, and the Fuel Depot Module.
The primary objective of the OSAC module is to provide an in-space platform capable of performing high-fidelity analysis on extraterrestrial samples before they're returned to Earth.
The spacecraft will receive a sample-bearing capsule and load individual samples into a central rotating fixture that distributes them to analytical tools to perform solid and gas sample extraction and study.
Upon completion, the spacecraft will store the samples into new containers primed for Earth entry, if verified as safe for Earth contact.
The OSAC module will establish proof of concept and pioneer future technologies that allow for in-situ sample analysis stations at other celestial bodies.
The fuel depot consists of 4 tanks, 3 for the fuel and 1 for the oxidizer. Each tank will be kept under a pressurized environment, allowing for fuel to be pumped similarly to a gas station on Earth.
The system operates using a mechanical arm that takes the hose attached to the fuel tanks to the fuel port of the incoming spacecraft for refueling. The fuel port will then be resealed by the mechanical arm and the spacecraft can continue on its mission.
AURORA will make its way into space in the SLS Block 1 cargo launch vehicle and will be delivered on a direct inject transfer trajectory. Upon arrival at L1, AURORA will enter a southern near rectilinear halo orbit where it will operate for the duration of its lifetime.
AURORA's OSAC will be a key piece of infrastructure in next-generation sample return campaigns, and the fuel depot will enable future missions to shoot not only for the moon, but far beyond it.
AURORA! The next step to the final frontier.